Do you feel overwhelmed whenever you think about all the things that you need to do to market yourself online? Does your competition's marketing sap you of confidence and send you into a tailspin? Look, if it does, I want to say that's quite normal when you're first starting out online. In fact, it's normal all the way through the process whenever you're growing your business that you might feel overwhelmed. I've come up with some tricks that I use to help me get out of overwhelm, and in this quick video, I want to share them with you. Hi, I'm Donna Joy from Social Media Bomb. My business partner Steph and I help online experts, coaches, and service providers build up their online client getting machine. I remember when we were first started out, I used to go from hero to zero when I was exposed to somebody else's stuff. There were days when the thought of everything that I had to do, everything I had to create, just made me want to lie down and never get up again. So I came up with 5 tips that I routinely use to get myself out of overwhelm. I'm going to share them with you now. So tip number 1, sometimes you got to look at the horizon and sometimes you got to look at your feet. So what do I mean by that? Well, the horizon is the big picture. It's your goals, it's your dreams, and we need to have that so that we can make decisions that are going to steer us in the right direction. But when we feel overwhelmed, it just makes it worse. So it's time to look at our feet when we're in overwhelm instead of thinking of the big picture, and instead concentrate on all those things that we just need to do day by day, all those mini steps that we need to take. So just keep moving, keep watching your feet as you take step by step, and when that feeling of overwhelm is gone, you can lift your eyes again to the horizon. Step number 2, you need to work out what your daily method of operation is and just do it consistently. Don't question it, don't think about, and don't give yourself permission to have a day off when you feel like shit. All right, you just need to keep doing it. And when you're in overwhelm, don't even think about why you're doing it, just do it. You will find that the process of doing it will actually give you energy and bring you out of overwhelm faster. So when the going gets tough, just keep going. So tip number 3, stop comparing yourself to what others are doing. Stop spending time wading through their marketing, going through their funnels, downloading their opt-ins. You know, this is all great to do dispassionately when you're creating a swipe file, but if it's sapping your energy and freaking you out, just stop. It doesn't matter what they are doing. The only thing that matters is what you are doing, so just remember that. Tip number 4, be willing to fail again and again. It's all a part of growth and it's a part of having a business, especially an online business. So switch off the mind drama that comes with that failure and just accept that it's all a part and it's all going to happen. So instead of being like, oh my God, I failed again, I'm never going to make it, I'm a failure, I'm useless, just be like, that didn't work, I wonder why. Remember that without failure, there can be no growth, and without growth, there can be no success. So welcome the failures. Tip number 5, when all else fails, get a good night's sleep. I've lost count of the number of times that this has just worked for me. Okay, so when I'm in total overwhelm and I'm just really exhausted, I get a good night's sleep. Be kind to yourself, forgive yourself, and remember to find fun in the journey. Now, if you'd like to know how we can help you build out your online client getting machine, I'm going to put a link with this video. So just use that link to go to our calendar and choose a time that's right for you. And I look forward to talking to you soon.